applying this once a week is that many women are turning their skin younger. What we want to teach you today is to prepare a mask that has its origin in Japan. It is a rice mask. If you want to benefit from all the properties of rice, you just have to prepare a mask based on it. This is very simple to do and will take a little time to prepare and use. Would you like to know how to prepare? Pay close attention to the following instructions. What we will need: rice 3 tablespoons, milk 1 tablespoon, honey 1 tablespoon, water 1 cup. Preparation and use: the first step is to boil the 3 tablespoons of rice with the cup of water in a small pot. Put it on a low heat for about 3 minutes to boil. Exhausted that time, we extinguished the fire and we cast the mixture, conserving so much the rice and the water in different containers. Then add a spoonful of honey with preheated milk to the rice. Then beat the mixture until a homogeneous paste is obtained. With that, our miracle face cream is ready. Now, what we have left to do is to spread the cream on the face with soft circular massages. We must make sure to cover all areas of the face with it. Then let it act for about 15 minutes or until it has completely dried. Finally, we will remove the mask with the water in which the rice boiled. This procedure should be repeated in its entirety no more than once a week. Keep in mind that its main purpose is to combat aging and dehydration. In addition, you should try to ingest at least 2 liters of water daily to boost the results. That wrinkles and blemishes are not your problem anymore. Start preparing and applying this powerful Japanese homemade cream and you will not regret it. Within a few weeks of starting to use it, you will notice how your skin begins to look younger and younger. If you think this information could help someone else, share it on your social networks.